Day 16, the false spiritual baby gurus. So right now, the awakening phase is being hijacked and infected by the negatives with the false New Age, false Luciferian, false esoteric movements, and it means that they have almost an infinite number of false, pre-planned, pre-implanted, false baby gurus who are whores of the Antichrist and mind controlled even without them knowing. So I'm gonna publish a list of them and case studies of them on my website www.earthpuzzle.hu under case studies and decoding. I'm gonna start to upload that part of my website a couple of months later. And yeah, it's very dangerous, and most people are not equipped to discern truth and falsity, or trustworthy or untrustworthy people. So yeah, follow for more truthful understanding.